Well, that's who's the worst? Sadly, you've not got a microphone in your helmet now, so nobody's going to hear you laughing as well. But what a fabulous way to start a film. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are the Mighty Guru Yoghourt, you know it to be true. Well, as I've been promising, we're now out riding with the magnificent Murgatroyd. First time in how long, Murgatroyd? Well, Murgatroyd reckons 4 weeks, I reckon slightly less than 3. It was half-term week. So yeah, probably more like 4 weeks. Anyway, we're going for a short ride down to Duddon Bridge, left turn and up the Duddon Valley. It's going to be a gas. The Murgatroyd, as you just heard, doesn't have a microphone in her head. In her head? She doesn't have a brain cell in her head, that's for sure. So you're going to have to rely on me to accurately report whatever she says. Like that's likely to happen, says the Murgatroyd. Questioning the veracity of the Mighty Guru Yoghourt. It's an outrage. Okay, how are we feeling, Murgatroyd? The Murgatroyd is feeling good. So I've just filled up with fuel. The Murgatroyd didn't need to. We've done all of the Murgatroyd's pre-ride checks. Everything is good. So we're just out for a fabulous evening's riding. I, of course, have already had a fabulous day's riding. So this is now the third time I've ridden this stretch of road today. But it's the kind of stretch of road you never get bored of. There's the Murgatroyd doing 50 mile an hour, look. Our Murgatroyd is remembering the first time she came down this road on the motorcycle at 28.
What, like that?
Yeah, I mean, that's the way it should be done.
Put the other foot down now.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think it matters. As long as you've got the front brake covered, you're absolutely fine. Yeah, it's a question of who decides what's proper. Me, by the sound of it. Yes. Well, here we are then heading down to Duddon Bridge, where we'll be having a left turn up the Duddon Valley. Yes. The Murgatroyd has yet to do anything that I can really criticise her for, which is a proper pisser. Because one of my favourite pastimes is giving the Murgatroyd shit. But it's just not happening today, which of course is a very good thing. Yeah, just keep going, I'll overtake you shortly before we get to Stone Star Cragg, which is where we're going to stop. And then I'm going to get the drone up and follow you down the valley. Very good, Murgatroyd, keep the power on. And remember, it does get quite a bit steeper as you go around the bends here. So you probably want to drop down into first gear. Very good. Keep looking at the vanishing point. Okay, Murgs, I'm coming through. Okay, Mercs, when you're ready. Well, we just had a nice little play with the drone. I was able to follow the Murgatroyd all the way down the valley, or up the valley as the Murgatroyd would have me say, to the quarry, and then she did the same for me, except the drone wasn't having it. So I can't wait now to get home and have a look at that footage. Well then, that'll pretty much be it for today's little film. It has been, as it always is, quite wonderful riding motorcycles with the magnificent Murgatroyd, who I think you'll agree is riding very confidently. And so, I'd like to offer a warm welcome to all of our new subscribers. And as always, I'm going to say there is a lot more to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.